Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving into one of the most refined and capable trucks on the road, the all-new Ram 1500 Laramie. This trim is known for balancing rugged performance with upscale comfort, and in 2025, Ram's raised the bar even higher. So let's see what this beast is packing inside and out. The Ram 1500 Laramie carries a bold and muscular design, but with a refined edge. Up front, you've got the signature chrome-accented grille and updated LED headlights that give it a confident, modern look. The body lines are smooth but strong, hinting at its workhorse DNA. Depending on your package, you're rolling on 18 to 20-inch wheels with chrome or black finishes. And around back, the multifunction tailgate makes loading and unloading easier than ever, whether you're at the job site or heading out for a weekend adventure. Step inside, and this is where the Laramie really shines. You're met with leather-trimmed seats, real wood and metal accents, and a surprisingly quiet cabin thanks to active noise cancellation. Comfort is top tier, with power-adjustable heated and ventilated front seats and plenty of room for passengers in both rows. The centerpiece is Ram's updated Uconnect 5 system on a massive 12-inch or optional 14.5-inch touchscreen. It's lightning fast, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even has split-screen functionality. You also get a 10.25-inch passenger screen for entertainment or navigation assistance. And yes, there's a full digital driver display and an available head-up display to keep key info in sight. Under the hood, the Laramie gets a major upgrade. The legendary HEMI V8 is out, and in its place is the all-new 3.0 liters twin-turbo inline-6 Hurricane engine. It delivers up to 540 horsepower and 521 pounds-to-feet of torque in the high-output version, offering smoother, more efficient power. Paired with the 8-speed automatic, you get solid acceleration, effortless towing, and surprisingly good fuel economy for a full-size truck. Towing capacity tops out around 11,500 pounds, and with available air suspension, the ride stays smooth regardless of your load. When it comes to safety, Ram's gone all in. Standard and available features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic braking, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree surround view camera. You're well covered, whether it's daily commuting or hauling cross-country. So, is the Ram 1500 Laramie worth it? If you want a truck that works hard but doesn't skimp on comfort, tech, or style, this one's a top contender. The new powertrain is impressive, and the interior feels like a luxury SUV. For those looking for capability without compromise, the Laramie hits the sweet spot. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews coming your way. Got questions about the Ram 1500? Drop them in the comments below, I always reply. Catch you in the next one.